garbage.
So 50 pesos for 2 weeks?
No, per month.
50 pesos per month?
Yes.
So that's what you're paying, and now over here it's 500 pesos per month.
That's because
Yeah.
it's a private subdivision.
Yeah, this is a private subdivision, so. Right. So it's, I don't know. I don't know if that's worth it. I don't know. We'll see if.
It's a private.
Yeah, I mean it is. It is clearly like a nicer neighborhood. So yeah, guys, picture having that house in Angeles City, Philippines, and bringing the cookies over there. So this is a nice tree-lined street right here. It reminds me a little bit more like America, or I guess something a little bit nicer in the Philippines. There's like a little park over here. Yeah, I know. I like this.
Yeah, can we sit there?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can go in the park. Yeah, we can sit. Yeah. So, yeah. I mean, maybe this would be worth it if we could find like, yeah, that 14K place was a little bit too expensive, I would say. For it being unfurnished, no utilities, and it's just a little bit too big. We don't need that space. It's like you're just paying for the size. Like all those rooms had 2 bathrooms, and don't really need that, to be honest with you. I would rather get something for like, you know, 8K or something, and 8K, and then made me pay 500 for the 500 for the garbage disposal. What's that? And we're just gonna continue to walk down the street. Basketball court. Huh? Oh, it's occupied? Hmm.
This is probably this one.
This one right here?
Yeah. Inside.
Oh, this one's 9.5?
Yeah.
So this is like more like a house style, right? Clearly a nicer street than yeah, it's quiet. a little bit more upscale than the other places. Yeah, it's more tree lined. I like it's more like kind of like yeah. There's a park exactly. Yeah, it's a little bit nicer. Yeah, yeah. One that we went to last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where all like the bars are and stuff. Like the yeah, a lot of Australian guys hang out there. Yeah, it's like a big yeah. It's a nice little area to like go in Diamond District to like the bars and stuff. Oh, this is a nice house right here. Nice, such a nice house. Nice landscape. Yeah, nice landscape. They're doing landscaping work. Yeah, this is a really nice house over here. Wow, imagine living in this place. It's like a mansion.
Why should we? When you get
It's like a, you could have got one of
when you
these.
get
Yeah.
millionaire on your YouTube. You're gonna get
I can get that place.
dream big. You've always been a negative. Oh, I'm not.
Oh, stop. The only thing I like the area, but I don't like the 500 peso per month garbage thing.
It's too expensive.
Yeah. I mean, I could see paying it if like
You can see why?
I could see paying that if like there's like a cheap apartment like 7-8K or something that's really nice, and then paying like you know the garbage disposal thing. But I can't see. This is what looks like apartments. This is a house. Oh, this is like a estate. Court. Maybe that might be a house for rent or something. Right there.
Are you a blogger, sir?
Oh yeah, yeah. We're just checking out the Diamond District.
Right?
Yeah.
Right for?
No, thank you, but we're just gonna walk over there. Thank you so much, though. Yeah, and this is where all like the. This is where all like the restaurants are, and that. So yeah, that was cool. That the guy was talking about that he goes to the New Moon Bar, which is like a. That's where Big Joe and I went actually. Not to that bar because it was closed because it was New Year's, but it was like right across the street. So yeah, this is the main Diamond District street. This would be outside of Diamond District, so right here, you would probably get away with not paying the 500 peso garbage disposal. Yeah, but it was nighttime when we went through here though, so that's the thing. So we didn't really see it all. But we didn't go all the way down though.
Yes, we did.
No, we didn't. I don't think we went all the way down. They have this place right here, right next to the Ritz Hotel. It's called APT, the APT Apartment Gastro Pub. This place right here. It's like closed down though, right? Does it look like it's like closed down? Look at this. Looks like it used to be like a girly bar, Velvet. Huh? Yeah, it looks like all these bars are like, most of them are closed down. I guess, you know, there's not too much traffic over here. You know, I don't think foreigners would really go here too much. That's one of the things that Chubbs was talking about. There's just not a lot of people going around this area, I guess. So maybe a lot of bars closed down. Cloud 9. Here's apartment for rents over here. Oh, this is commercial stalls. Okay. I'm not sure what stalls are though. And we're headed out of the Diamond District towards MacArthur. I definitely want to look at, this isn't the last time that I want to look at Diamond District. I definitely want to take a second look. Because we went through, but we didn't really get a good look around. We just went through one of the side streets. So it's Big Joe's favorite cafe for cheap beer. It's the Chris Cafe. Not much going on. It's just like, I think a Red Horse was kind of cheap here. Forget how much. I think a big Red Horse was like 80 pesos or something. And we're just making our way along. Just looking for anything that might catch our eye. Oh, this is the cookie street right here, guys. The cookies. Some cookies over there. And this is what is known as the 500 peso spot. Right here. So basically, if you oh, here's some places right here. Bourbon Street, the sign says Bourbon Street apartments and condos for rent daily or monthly. Probably expensive. This big building right here. I wonder how much these. Yeah, I know. I wonder how much these are. These are really close to Walking Street main area.
Barangay, ma'am.
Yeah, not too much going on. It's a Sunday, so maybe it's kind of slow. I just want to show you guys. It's a good deal for the coconut juice. So this is 1 liter for 80 pesos. And the Buco place in SM is like 125 for a liter. This one has like little coconut chunks in it. Yeah, this is the place on Walking Street. Just want to mention these this type of ice cream from the McDonald's has some type of yellow stuff on top. I don't know if it's like mango stuff, but it's pretty good actually.
It's like jelly.
It's like mango jelly or something, but it's pretty good. So yeah, decent spot for vegetables over here. Across from the McDonald's. Apparently the vegetables are a good price.